One of my goals for 2022 is to get as many people to start owning shares. This is something that is easily done on Easy Equities. My name is Lindy Sherries and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talk about crypto stocks and Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the shares that I've bought. So these are the shares that I already spoke about in one video in detail. So in today's video, I'm just buying few of these shares and also doing a major announcement from Adapt IT because that company is currently bought by another company from Canada. So for those of you who actually own Adapt IT, there was an email that was sent from Easy Equity notifying everyone who owns Adapt IT shares that as of next year, I think the 3rd of January, that share won't be listed in JSE. So it is important for everyone who owns Adapt IT to actually watch this video. If you don't sell, those shares will actually be transferred into cash value into your Easy Equity account. So in this video, I'm also going to sell my Adapt IT shares and use the money to buy Capitec. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. Okay guys, as you can see, I've deposited money, but when we go to my account overview to see how much I have, this is the money that I have. And remember, I've been buying this bit by bit. Whenever I have a 20 rand, a 70 rand, or even a 100 rand, then I will go and buy. So let's go to view holdings so you can see all my stocks or equity. Adapt IT, we recently got an email that says this won't be listed now in JSE. So now I'm going to sell this. So I'll show you the email that we got, because anyway the money will be credited to my account. So this is the email that I got from Easy Equity saying that as of I think Monday, January 3, these won't be listed and it won't be here. They'll refund our money. So I might as well sell this. And I'm doing this on a public holiday, so which is a Monday. On Tuesday, the money should be on my account when I sell. So for in case you don't know how to sell, this is what you do. So as you can see now, the offer is pending because it is a public holiday. But then as soon as Tuesday hits, this will be shown in my account. But then let's just continue so that you can see this is the pending transaction that is available in Easy Equities. Okay, now let's go back to my account overview so that we can see what I'm going to buy with my 500 rand. Because now remember, this is the money that I have planned to buy. So I'll be buying Purple Group. And Purple Group, the reason I'm buying, I do have a video that talks more about Purple Group as a shareholder, and you can go and watch that video. But then now I need to search for Purple Group, and this is the Purple Group share. But then we need to see how this share has been performing. So Easy Equity is actually owned by Purple Group Limited, and as you can see that this is the video that I've recorded before. You can watch this video to see more on this. And then usually when I check for 1 year, I usually don't check for a few months, so I will go to 1 year. You can see that this is a share that is growing very well, which is good for me, and that's what I want. And now more and more people are starting to know about Easy Equity, and as well as Capitec Bank as well is going to work with Easy Equity. People will be able to buy shares easy from Capitec Bank. So I'm going to buy 100 of these shares so that I have this. So I'm planning to keep adding until I get to 1,000, so that in future when this go up, I can make money. So at the moment it's around 2 rand something, but now my plan is just to leave it, and then when it goes up, it will go up. So imagine if this share goes to 100 or even more than that, then I will start making money. So the next one I'm going to buy, it's also listed on that video, is a Sasol share. So Sasol has been performing well, but the reason I'm buying now, it's low. So you can see that it's low, and we buy when it's low. But then checking from 1 year history, you see that the share has been performing well, and it is a stable company as well. So I plan to have at least 100 because the price is not so low. It's not like your 200 rand. It's not like your 2 rand. It's 200 rand. So I'll just buy one for today, and my mission is to accumulate before the end of 2022. I must have at least 100. And then with Purple Group, my mission is to have more than 1,000 if I can get, and I'm hoping maybe even 10,000 rent 10,000 shares, that can be nice. So this is what I have now on Sasol. So these are the 2 shares I'm buying now, but then obviously I'll connect the following day when my transactions are processed, when the market is open. So now let's just go and see in my portfolio what I have. I won't go into details. It's just for us to see what I have bought now and what is pending. So as you can see now, I have a sell on Adapt IT since it won't be listed anymore on Easy Equity and also JSE. And then I have my Pepper Group, I have my Sasol. So these are the 3 shares that will be pending. And then let's go to my whole account so that you can see what I have as well, so that we can make sure that we have money. So this is something else that I want to buy. So this is the following day, which is today. Now the bank is open, so I'll check Capitec Bank, and it is one of my favorite share. Actually, out of all the 5 banks that exist in South Africa, Capitec Bank is actually growing fast. So I'll just use the money that I got from Adapt IT, which I've done yesterday. So now I have 70 something rent on that. So I'll just buy a portion of Capitec so that we can at least start owning something on Capitec. And then one day as well, I want to at least have 10 or 100 before 2022. So Capitec as well, it is one share that is doing well, and I wish I didn't buy Woolworths share. I wish I bought Capitec so that by now, because I remember when I started with Easy Equity, this share was actually around 1,400, but now it is going to 1,009 to 2,000 rand, and this is all happening in just 1 year. So it is a good thing to keep buying these shares. And now do remember that I say we don't buy for just us, we buy for our future. We buy, so the goal here, just leave it for 1 year and see how much you made in a year by just buying these shares. And one thing that people need to know is that you do not need to have like a lot of money to do this. You can buy with just 50 rand, 100 rand, and that's what I love about Easy Equity. So these are my shares that I have. I have Distel, I have Home Choice, I have Life Clinics, I have Mr. Price, Nedbank, and I also have RCL Food, RMB. Actually, RMB is also cheap. I've accumulated more. And then I also have Woolworths, which is currently not doing well, and Tara Brand as well is also not doing well. But then at least I've added something in my portfolio before the start of 2022. So when we start next year, I'll list everything that I have so that we know what amount I had when I started and check at the end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you now know what stocks I added in my portfolio. And then let's just keep holding, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.